Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Everything! Wow, look at all the animals!
Hello everyone!
Do you guys know where these animals live? They live in places from all over the world! Hey animals, can you introduce us to where you guys live?
Sure!
Let's get started! Hello there, what's your name?
Hello everyone, my name is Elephant!
Hello, Elephant!
Hey Elephant, where do you live?
I live in the savannah!
Wow, what's it like in the savannah?
Savannah is a warm grassland with trees and shrubs here and there. It's kind of like a mix between a forest and a desert. And many animals live here in the savannah with me. There are herbivore animals like giraffes, zebras, rhinos, and hippos in the savannah. And also carnivore animals like lions, cheetahs, leopards, and hyenas live among us.
Wow, thank you for introducing your home to us. The savannah sounds like a really wholesome place to live.
You're welcome! Come visit us sometime!
Oh, hello there. What's your name?
Hello everyone, my name is Gorilla.
Hello, Gorilla!
Hey, Gorilla. Where do you live?
I live in the rainforest.
Wow, what's it like in the rainforest?
Rainforests are like big, wet jungles with lots of tall trees and plants. It's really warm in here and it rains a lot, which is why we called it rainforests. There are so many animals living here in the rainforest with me. Monkeys, orangutans, and chimpanzees, my fruit-loving ape friends. Parrots and toucans are my bird friends. And you can find the three-toed sloth, the slowest moving mammal on Earth. And watch out for the deadly carnivorous crocodile and jaguar in the swamp.
Wow, thank you for introducing your home to us. The rainforest sounds like a really diverse and vibrant place.
You're welcome. Come visit us sometime.
Hello there, what's your name?
Hello everyone, my name is Camel.
Hello, Camel!
Hey, Camel, where do you live?
I live in the desert.
Wow, what's it like in the desert?
A desert is a place that is very dry and hot, and it hardly ever rains. It's like an oven during the day. There's lots and lots of sand, but very little water. Believe it or not, many animals live here in the desert. We have all adapted to live in these environments. First of all, I store a lot of fat in my hump and use it for energy. Fennec Fox decided to sleep during the day and stay active at night when it cools down. Meerkats get their water from the insects and grubs they eat.
Wow, thank you for introducing your home to us. The desert seems like a really hot yet mysterious place.
You're welcome. Come visit us sometime.
Hello there, what's your name?
Hello everyone, my name is Bear.
Hello, Bear!
Hey, Bear, where do you live?
I live in the forest.
Wow, what's it like in the forest?
A forest is a big green room filled with lots of trees, plants, and animals all living together. And the animals and trees help each other. Let me introduce my friends who live in the forest with me. We have the meat eaters like wolves, coyotes, and eagles. And omnivores like foxes, skunks, and ducks, who eat a little bit of everything. Then you have the plant eaters like pandas, koalas, deer, and beavers.
Wow, thank you for introducing your home to us. The forest sounds like a big and green playground for you all.
You're welcome. Come visit us sometime.
Hello there, what's your name?
Hello, everyone. My name is Puffin. Hello, Puffin.
Hey, Puffin, where do you live?
I live in the Arctic.
Wow, what's it like in the Arctic?
The Arctic is a really cold place at the very top of the Earth above the Arctic Circle. It's where you can find so much icy ground that is covered in ice and snow. There are so many animals living here in the Arctic with me. You will find the polar bears, walruses, and seals on ice, and orcas and beluga whales in the cold Arctic Ocean.
What about penguins? I thought penguins live in icy cold places too.
Penguins live in the other icy place called the Antarctica at the very bottom of the Earth.
Oh wow, thank you for introducing your home to us. The Arctic seems so cold, but a great place for you guys to live.
You're welcome. Come visit us sometime.
Wow, thank you for introducing your home to us, guys. It was so much fun learning about their homes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.